September 2023. We, the Kirby Student Associations, first of all, we would like to extend our gratitude to our media friends for coming to our office and attending this short press meet. Today, the Kirby Student Associations, our Central Committee, we have submitted a memorandum through the Deputy Commissioner of Kirby Anglong to National Commissions for Protection of Child Rights in relation to the incidents that had happened on 5th of September 2023 at Nonoi, which is in Nagaon district of Assam. On 5th of September 2023, a very unfortunate incident happened at Nonoi. A 7-year-old boy, Mr. Rupsing Timung, was brutally beaten by a teacher named Mr. Mrinal Sarma. A young and minor boy, Rupsing Teron, he is from Kirby Anglong district, Parkut Pahar area. His parents have sent him for educational purposes at Mr. Mrinal's house, but instead of providing education to Mr. Rupsing Teron by Mr. Mrinal Sarma, he have physically abused and physically exploited the children by exploited the child by beating him severely and brutally. So in relation to that, we, the Kirby Student Association, have been compelled to send a memorandum to National Commissions for Protection of Child Rights to initiate a stern action against Mr. Mrinal Sarma. And also through our memorandum, we have placed our demands in relation to this incident and in relation to this case. Some of our demands are, number one, immediately suspend Mrinal Sarma from his job. Since he is a teacher, so we would like to we would like to demand that Mr. Mrinal Sarma should be immediately suspended from his job. And number two, our demand is that we want him to punish as per the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986. We, the Kirby Student Associations, we would like to demand that as per the law of Child Labor Prohibitions and Regulations Act 1986, Mrinal Sarma should be punished according to this act. And number three, our demand is that we would like him to punish under the Prevention of Atrocities Act against ST-SC Act 1989. Since there is a provision, since Mr. Rupsing Timung, he belongs from a scheduled tribe community, so we would like to demand that a severe action should be initiated as per the provision of Prevention of Atrocities against SC-ST Act 1989. And number four, another demand that we would like to make is that to take severe actions against the accused, that is Mr. Mrinal Sarma, under the Commissions for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005. And number five, that is our last demand, is that the authority of Kirby Anglong Autonomous Council should take care of the child and help him get quality educations immediately. So we would like to demand to our Kirby Anglong Autonomous Council that since the child is from socially and economically very backward background, so the Kirby Anglong Autonomous Council should undertake as measures to educate him until he becomes mature. The council should provide his educational needs. The Autonomous Council should bear all his educational expenditure as long as the child, as long as the boy, he wants to continue his studies. There is a few demands that we would that we have been demanding through our memorandum. And this memorandum we would like to send through a copy to is to the chairperson of Assam State Commissions for Protection of Child Rights and Deputy Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India, Home Secretary to the Government of Assam, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Deputy Commissioner, Nagaon District, and also to the Office of OC, Northern Police Stations, Nagaon District. So that is our demand, and that's what we would like to appeal to the authority as well as to the administration to initiate immediate actions to our demands, so that justice will be given, justice will be delivered at the earliest to Mr. Rup Singh Timur.